this lovely hair. It's my first time ever getting my hair done. What is this again, babe?
Frontal wig.
Frontal wig, that's what it is. And we just gonna get straight into this thing. You got Faith in the back, she's doing my hair.
Yeah, let's get into it. You ready?
Yeah. I'm kind of tender-headed too. Just
Are you
let
for
you
real?
know. I am.
Oh my god.
You always have tender-headed clients.
We can go back on these. Okay, this one's gonna be our longest process, is the braid down. Hey, I didn't know you dyed your hair.
Yeah, I'm finna dye it back.
Black?
I mean, I'm finna dye it like the color I used to have. No, I'm dyeing it like brown and I'm dyeing the back blonde.
Okay.
I went back black because I
know, me too. Did you see?
I kind of noticed.
Yeah.
I was finna ask you what happened to the blonde.
Because everybody got it.
Yes, who wants it anymore? I don't want it. At first I was different and now everybody trying to be like me. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, no, you're dead serious.
No, for real.
Why do you think I went black? Like,
I went ginger.
Katie said I'm gonna be different.
No, I might actually I might dye it ginger again before going back. Fully. Nah.
I
like this color.
I like the ginger.
It's
But
pretty.
it's gonna be lighter.
It was really pretty to me.
I like it.
You think I should go
Yeah,
get
I like
lighter?
it because it's a ginger red.
It don't look orange.
Yeah, it don't look orange.
Actually looks like that ginger. You know the ginger the Pinterest girls be having? Yeah.
Like brave. My hair out of a bun.
Especially mine.
Looking at it, I'll be like, why is my hair straight? Like, you know how like your hair come up?
It's because y'all got
It's
that
just straight.
thick hair.
Oh, I've not got my
Why
hair
you turn
braided in so
straight?
long.
You say what, Katie?
I've not got my hair braided in so long.
God damn! God damn!
It hurt?
Nah, not that bad. Had to get your hair braided done by my mom. Don't
Pulling your scalp out?
She be too much. And her knuckles go into your head.
No. Relax.
A few moments later.
I just want to say this went all in my shirt, in my bra and everything.
For real?
You got crunches in your. You got a late night snack.
That she feeding somebody else.
Swear to God. She got a late night snack.
I think my mom left it in up
Look
until.
at that face.
Tomorrow we gonna need a blow dryer. You got one?
Why you ask me? Nice day. Oh, I your boyfriend there. Why?
No, he mad.
Y'all, she finished braiding my hair and now I don't know what she's doing.
Chicken
now.
head.
We pulling them edges back so she
Chicken
can have
head.
them edges when this is all over with.
That's it.
She look like she in orange with a new black.
Chicken head.
Stop doing her.
Chicken head.
Sniffles.
That's how she gonna get. You better not be fighting, Kate. They gonna take off your wig. You
No, they not. Tell them to stop trying.
You gonna like you been in the penitentiary with them braids.
Alright, we'll be back. We're getting ready to glue. We're sticking down so where my edges do not get pulled up or snatched. You know, gotta keep it intact. So keep watching. Putting the wig cap over, you guys, it kind of got stuck on my head. It was kind of hurting my eyebrows, but you know, gotta have it. You know, period.
okay, okay, we're about to get to the foundation part. Gotta get these sides dry.
Putting on the foundation so under the lace can match my skin color and it will look more natural than more like a wig.
Okay, you need a new hairline.
Don't do
I got better hairline than you.
Cap. Shamar, Booby just said, I wish a girl told me to get off the game. Why you don't call me? Nigga, Booby funny, bro. Oh, shit. Booby.
Nice cut, jeans. Now cutting the lace off so we can get to the good part. Putting on the wig.
And I don't give a fuck if I'm
Now we're getting to the good part. We're putting on the wig. Lovely. Look at my face. Why I look like that? Okay, now putting the glue on. She had to put 2 layers of glue on to make it stay, but they say they normally put 6, but you know, I didn't want to keep it too long, so it was okay.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
What's up, my beautiful Mylove babies? It's Katie. You guys can tell my hair is different. Your girl's popping. I just want to say thank you for Dye Hair for sponsoring this video. Dye Hair 777. You can go find them on Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok. They are big. I just want to say the quality of the hair is amazing. I just want to say thank you for Faye for installing it. And, you know, like, I'm just gonna walk out, like, because, you know, we popping. Even though I don't do black hair, but guess what? I'll do black hair today, tomorrow, the next day, because I like this. And that's what? Period. So let me walk out cute, you know. Wait, hold on. Oh, wait, let me go this way. No. And we out. Thank you. Sponsored.